3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To sign out of YouTube on an Android device, begin by opening the YouTube app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, but note that there isn't a direct option to log out. Similarly, accessing the app settings via the gear icon in the top right corner will not provide a sign out function. Instead, exit the app and go to your phone's settings. Use the search bar within the settings to type YouTube and locate the app. Once selected, navigate to the storage option. Here, clear both the cache and the app data by pressing the respective buttons and confirming when prompted. After completing these steps, reopen the YouTube app. You'll notice that you've been logged out, with the app prompting you to sign in again. To use YouTube without logging in, simply dismiss the prompt. If you wish to log back in, tap the profile icon in the top right corner and enter your credentials as usual. This method ensures you are signed out from your YouTube account on Android effectively. Then go to door 9, ladies and gentlemen.